Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. The DJI RS 4 Mini is finally here, and it's the lightest and most compact stabilizer in DJI's 2025 lineup. If you're into video shooting and want a professional gimbal without the bulk, this is the one to look at. It brings the core features of DJI's bigger gimbals but packs them into a smaller, more portable body. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or filmmaker, the RS 4 Mini is made to deliver smooth footage without adding weight to your setup. Right out of the box, the DJI RS 4 Mini feels premium. It's well built and extremely lightweight. It weighs just under 800 grams, making it the lightest in the RS 4 series. The design is sleek and simple. It looks and feels solid, with high-quality materials used across the body. You can hold it comfortably for long periods, which is perfect for handheld shooting and travel use. The RS 4 Mini is built for mirrorless cameras. It supports a maximum payload of about 2 kilograms, which covers most popular camera and lens combinations. Whether you're using a Sony, Canon, Nikon, or Fujifilm mirrorless system, it'll likely work. DJI also released a full compatibility list so you can check exactly what setups are supported. The gimbal balances easily and holds the weight without any trouble. DJI has updated the motors on the RS 4 Mini to be more efficient. This allows for smoother movement and better stabilization. The new algorithm helps reduce microshakes, especially when walking or moving quickly. The stabilization performance is excellent. Even when running or shooting from a moving vehicle, the footage stays steady. It's very impressive for such a small device. The RS 4 Mini uses the new generation for stabilization algorithm, which is faster and more responsive than before. It reacts to movement quickly and accurately. When you tilt, pan, or roll the gimbal, the motion is smooth and controlled. You don't see the jerky transitions that you might get with cheaper gimbals. Everything feels natural, which is key when shooting cinematic footage. The quick-release mounting system has also been improved. It uses DJI's new dual-layer quick-release plates. This makes it easy to take the camera on and off the gimbal without rebalancing every time. That saves time on set or in the field. It also supports vertical shooting, which is essential for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Switching between horizontal and vertical modes is quick and simple. There's also a new fine-tuning knob that lets you adjust the camera position more accurately. This small feature is a big help when balancing the camera, especially with lenses that shift center of gravity when zooming. It makes the setup process faster and more precise. DJI really thought through the details with this design. Battery life on the RS 4 Mini is strong. It offers up to 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. That's enough for most shoots in a single day. And it charges through USB-C, so you can use a power bank or fast charger if needed. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully recharge. You can also use it while charging, which is great during long shoots. The built-in screen is small but useful. It shows important info like battery level, connection status, and current mode. You can switch between modes with the front trigger and M button. The modes include pan follow, tilt follow, FPV, and lock. Each one gives a different style of movement, allowing you to get the shot you want. The buttons are responsive and easy to reach with one hand. The RS 4 Mini supports Bluetooth control for camera shutter release. If your camera is compatible, you can start and stop recording wirelessly through the gimbal. That keeps your hands free and avoids needing extra cables. For full control, you can connect your camera with a USB-C cable, giving you access to more functions like aperture, ISO, or focus pulling, depending on the model. One of the highlights is DJI's companion app. It connects easily and gives you full control over gimbal settings. You can change motor strength, smoothness, speed, and more. The app also allows for motion control and time-lapse setups. You can set waypoints and let the gimbal move automatically over time, creating smooth motion time-lapse videos without needing a slider. There are several shooting modes that help make your footage look professional. You have the 360 roll mode, which rotates the camera for spinning shots. There's also Sport Mode, which tightens motor response for fast action. Whether you're filming sports, music videos, or travel vlogs, these modes give you tools to be creative. DJI has also worked on improving startup time. When you turn on the RS4 Mini, it initializes quickly and is ready to shoot in seconds. That's important when capturing unexpected moments. The gimbal also remembers the last balanced setup, which saves more time when restarting after breaks. The build quality is excellent. Even though it's light, the RS4 Mini feels strong. It can handle tough conditions and still perform reliably. The grip has a nice texture, giving you a secure hold even in sweaty or wet conditions. There's also a standard tripod mount at the bottom, so you can attach it to a stand or extension pole. For vloggers and run-and-gun shooters, the size and weight are a huge advantage. You can carry it all day without getting tired. It fits easily into a backpack or sling bag. This makes it ideal for travel, documentaries, weddings, or street shooting. It's one of the most portable professional gimbals on the market right now. Audio accessories and external monitors can also be added. There's space to mount a microphone or small screen using brackets or clamps. That makes it easy to build a complete filming rig without adding too much bulk. DJI also offers an optional handle grip and remote control accessories for more advanced setups. Compared to the larger RS4 and RS4 Pro, the Mini offers about 80% of the performance in a much smaller package. You lose a few advanced features, like built-in focus motors or full-size touchscreen, but for most solo creators, the RS4 Mini covers everything needed. It's a great balance between performance, size, and price. Price-wise, the RS4 Mini is very competitive. It costs less than the Pro version but offers many of the same features. It's a good deal for creators who want quality results without spending too much. It's not the cheapest gimbal, but when you consider the performance, features, and DJI reliability, it becomes a smart investment. DJI's reputation for quality continues with this release. The RS4 Mini is smooth, strong, and smart. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos, wedding films, ads, or cinematic projects, this gimbal gives you the tools to make your footage look polished and stable. It brings pro-level features to a much wider audience. The RS4 Mini also supports DJI's ecosystem. You can use it with other accessories, software, and tools from the DJI family. It connects easily, works reliably, and is backed by solid customer support. Firmware updates through the app also help improve performance over time. If you're new to gimbals, the RS4 Mini is easy to learn. The buttons and modes are straightforward. The app guides you through setup and balancing. If you've used DJI products before, everything will feel familiar. And if this is your first time, you'll find it easy to get started. For advanced users, there's still plenty of depth. You can fine-tune every setting, save custom profiles, and create smooth camera movements that match your style. The RS4 Mini grows with you as you improve your shooting skills. It also pairs well with smartphone apps and third-party editing tools. If you're doing social media content, you can record stabilized footage, edit it on your phone, and post directly. The gimbal helps you shoot once and get it right the first time, saving time in post-production. The DJI RS4 Mini is a reminder that powerful tools don't need to be big or heavy. It shows that smart engineering and thoughtful design can create something compact and capable. For mobile creators, it's a dream tool. For pros, it's a reliable backup or lightweight option. There's really not much to complain about. Some users might want a larger screen or built-in follow focus, but those features are in the RS4 Pro. The Mini keeps it simple and focused on stability, portability, and ease of use. And in those areas, it performs exceptionally well. If you're looking for a gimbal that you can take anywhere, that works with most mirrorless cameras, and that delivers smooth cinematic footage every time, the RS4 Mini is hard to beat. It's one of DJI's most practical releases in recent years, and it will be popular with all types of video creators. This is Tap Tech, and that was our full review of the DJI RS4 Mini. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.